Silence before sound. Step into the chamber. This is the dub temple.